What if I told you there's a way to make ChatGPT literally do your work for you? Not just answer questions, but write emails, build workflows, create content, plan your business, and even automate your daily grind. While you do almost nothing? Sounds like clickbait? Give me the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how professionals, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT prompts to replace hours of work. And I'll even give you my full prompt pack. Proven prompts, completely free. But here's the truth most YouTube AI gurus won't tell you. ChatGPT isn't smart on its own. It's only as powerful as the prompts you feed it. And that's where 99% of users fail. Think of ChatGPT like a super intern. If you give it vague instructions like write something cool, it'll panic, make coffee, and come back with a motivational quote. But when you feed it the right prompts, it transforms. It becomes your elite personal assistant, your marketing strategist, your scriptwriter, even your business consultant, all rolled into one. And in the next few minutes, I'll reveal the exact prompt structure that turns ChatGPT into your personal employee. So by the end of this video, you'll have prompts that can write, plan, and execute tasks for you, while you focus on scaling your income. Imagine you're hiring a new employee. You wouldn't just say, do marketing. You'd give them a system, goals, steps, examples, and outcomes. That's exactly how ChatGPT works. The more context and clarity you give it, the smarter it becomes. So instead of saying, write me a blog post, you say, you are a senior content strategist for a fitness brand. Write a 1,000-word SEO blog post targeting beginners, using a friendly tone, and ending with a call to action. Boom! Suddenly, ChatGPT stops acting like a confused robot and starts thinking like a professional human with a mild caffeine addiction. Every great prompt follows a repeatable structure. Let's break it down. Step 1. Define the role. You are an expert marketer, a copywriter, a business coach. This gives ChatGPT an identity. Step 2. Define the task. Tell it exactly what to do and for whom. Step 3. Define the output format. Should it give a table, a script, bullet points, or a checklist? Step 4. Define the tone and goal. Professional? Friendly? Persuasive? Always end with, before you begin, ask me any clarifying questions. Here's an example prompt. You're a productivity coach. Create a 7-day AI-powered workflow system for freelancers using ChatGPT. Format it as a step-by-step guide with action items. That one prompt can replace 3 hours of brainstorming, planning, and writing. 3 hours. Gone just like that. Now, let's see how this works in real life. Example 1. Freelancer workflow. You're a freelance designer. Instead of spending an hour writing proposals, just say, you are a professional creative writer. Write a persuasive Upwork proposal for a logo design project that emphasizes creativity, reliability, and fast turnaround. ChatGPT spits out a polished proposal. Done. You tweak, send, and move on to your next client. Example 2, small business owner workflow. Running a small business? Try this. You are a digital marketing consultant. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a local coffee shop targeting young professionals. Boom! A full content plan ready to post. Your social media? Automated. Example 3, productivity and SOPs. Want to scale your operations? Act as a business process expert. Write a step-by-step SOP for onboarding new clients, including email templates and follow-up steps. You just turned a repetitive process into a system without hiring anyone. Basically, ChatGPT can do everything except walk your dog. Although, I'm still working on that prompt. But here's where the real magic happens. What if I told you you can make ChatGPT work like an entire team of experts using just one master prompt? Here's how. You stack prompts together to simulate departments inside ChatGPT. Example, you're my marketing team. You're my business strategist. You're my creative copywriter. Then, you connect them with follow-up prompts. Now ChatGPT starts producing coordinated results, strategy, content, and execution, working together like an actual business team. And yes, that exact stacking system is part of the free prompt download waiting for you at the end of this video. All right, here's what I promised. I've compiled my most powerful ChatGPT prompts, the same ones I personally use to create workflows, content systems, and business plans. You can grab them 100% free through the link in the description. No gimmicks, just pure, actionable value. Use them, modify them, and make ChatGPT your personal assistant starting today. The truth is, AI isn't coming for your job. The people who use AI are. You can either watch from the sidelines, or you can build systems that make AI your advantage. Because the ones who learn how to communicate with machines, they'll be the ones leading teams, building brands, and creating freedom. Or you can still spend 3 hours writing emails while your friend's having coffee, letting ChatGPT do it for him. Your choice. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe. But don't stop here. The next video on your screen will take this even further. I'll show you step by step how people are making money using AI and ChatGPT, even as complete beginners. Click that video right now, and let's turn your new prompts into real income. This is AI Mastery Path. I'll see you there.